Hi, and yes, this is my voice. I had a little bit more to share this time that could fit in title cards, so I'm going to be talking through this. I have two micro model railroads that I've recently built, and I wanted to show you off and maybe run a little train or two on these. Here's the first one. I call it Whistle Stop. You see the little depot there. You can kind of imagine back off this way that maybe there's a few houses, a store, or some other little community building. But otherwise, it's just a track running through the prairie with one little place where maybe a few people every so often get on and off passenger trains. The second one is called the Edge of Town. Features a couple little buildings, including a depot. Again, single length of track. Maybe at one time there was a siding, but it's long since gone. One of the reasons why I built these two micro model railroads was to test out the concept of the single line micro, see if I could enjoy running a little train back and forth, but also to test out some scenery techniques, improve on some of the things that I've done. Try to get more paint to simulate gravel. On this, it's a tan color. On the other one, and I'll bring that back, it's a gray color. This is something else that I decided on the spur of the moment to try. Had a little space for the store, but decided to put the gas station building there and make that look like a little abandoned lot. So I think it turned out okay. May have made a few mistakes, but I will fix them with the next model railroad that I build. And we're back to Whistle Stop, and you can see the gray gravel alongside the road. The roads on both these are another scenery experiment. Putting a layer of paint, then a layer of Mod Podge, then another layer of paint, then another layer of Mod Podge to both protect the road, but also to give it a more modeled appearance, like an older paved road. Other things I did was to mix up the colors of the ground foam to give the grass lots of different little colors and textures. So that's what they look like. Now let's see if we can run a few trains on them.